Let's get this big mamma jamma opened up. That's it. Can you see all that? I think you can. All right, let's open this thing up. My wife is over there suntan. Let's see. Oh, I think I still open up the back of it too, don't I? Yep. All right. Yeah, this thing packaged. This box is not easy to open. There we go. Y'all can see what I can see what's happening over there. It's hard to stay focused though. Huh? This good thing says do not lay flat. Oh well. It's well packaged. Very well packaged. All right, let's see. Oh. Damn, I'm liking it so far. Oh, that's freaking heavy. Let's see. Alright, well there you go. That comes apart. Yeah, that is. Oh yeah. Oh man. Why does that look like it's too small? But I know it's gonna work. Look at this thing. Get this off my girl. Look at that. Woo. Oh man, that's nice. What it look like underneath? Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. So all the way through. That looks like it's pretty good quality too. That's not bad. So look at these cowls down here. What do we got going on down there? Yep, it's got little holes there. All right. This is looking pretty good. I like it. I like it. Let's see how high is this. That's 2 inch. Man, that's gonna look so good on there. Oh my God. Oh, I wish I could put it on right now. I don't know where I'm gonna set this. I want to take it inside or something, I guess. I don't know what to do with it. That's looking good. Oh, and that's definitely still, I think, stuck. Now we just got to get it painted. I go get some sandpaper. So I can scuff this up good, put my primer on there. I got my fender to do too. Let's see, we'll grab the fender. There we go. That's what we're looking at. So we get the hood and the fender, both of it brand new. So I can fix this over here. I need to pull all this out. I got all this brand new too. Wish I got some paint. But I gotta take this fender flare off. I need to fix the fender flare. I'm gonna give me some fiberglass mat. Try and fix that somehow. I need to trim this little fender up too to match. But I got a little dings in the hood here, and it's dented in right there. A little dent right there too. I can't wait to put that on. It's gonna look good. Oops, there's my wife over there, naked, tanning. I have to put something over that. Oh, this looks great. That looks better, but this looks great. I'm loving it. All right, I think I might get to work here in a minute. You don't have to paint this, and we'll come back with, yeah, let's do a little bit of painting. I may have to do it on another date, but we're looking good. We got one. I don't think it's going to do anything. It's broke. It is broke, so it's just spinning. Let's throw it down here. Yeah, let's get this apart. That part works. Wow, I don't think that's the right screw, but maybe. There we go. Oh yeah, see, that's all. It busted that right apart. Tore that apart. That one's junk. Let's see if I can get this off. There we go. Yeah, broke that off. Let's see if I can get, yeah, those little things. Little wrench, 3/8 wrench, I can pull that off. But yeah, we're kind of been up down in there a little bit. I need to get new brackets for these headlights. Why is that one twisted down? Oh, that's why I pushed the plastic, pushed it down. That's supposed to be there. All right, so we got to do a little work here. So you got to get that off. I don't have to. It'll come off when I take off the fender. I'll just leave it on there because it's just junk. But I wanted to see what this. I think I can just take a piece of wood and a jack from the ground and just push that right back up, and that'll be fine. Because it's got this twisted, which I got that brand new. I got this new. The whole assembly here new, and a new spring. So hopefully that will get everything working better. But that's it for now. All right, let's see. Next we'll be taking the fender off, or taking this off. I think we're getting a screwdriver. Take this off, maybe. Yeah, let's do that. All right, let's see. Let's take this off. Oh, shit. Of course I ain't trying. Damn thing. God dang it. This thing's toast, yo. It's been jacked up. Oh, he's not pop out of there. There we go. I need to get these flat ones down here. See? Almost ashamed to think I'm gonna be taking all this off. Nothing there. These does not want to come out. Well, they do, but they stay in there pretty good. So you're going down the interstate and it wants to flop on you because one comes loose, which has happened. That's how the back of that got broke off. And it was flopping in the wind. There you go. Come on, man. Dang. Uh-oh, there it went. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, it's gone. All right, let it go. That's okay. I don't care. All right. Man, these. What in the heck? Wow, that looks terrible under here. All right, I think I need the flat blade on that one come off. That's what these other ones are too. Oh, I don't have a flat blade on. All right, let's go get that and pull this off. There it is, right there. This is my mind. All right, now get this off. I think these are actually glove box screws. There's my glove box because came apart while I was driving somewhere one day. I didn't have nothing to put in there, so I pulled a screw out of my glove box and put it in here. The other ones were missing. I'll take this off, the whole thing might just fall down. Let's see. Alright, there we go. That little screw out. Now it falls off. Oh, there we go. Alright. Not too bad. Got a little bit of fixing there. One, two, three of those busted. Some of these are cracked. And I've been told you can't buy these anymore, which is a shame. But there we go. There's how much fender trimming I did. So I did go trim quite a bit out. Can trim a little bit more on that one. Then I gotta take this fender off, unbolt it, but I need to pull the battery out because I can take the battery tray apart where it's bolted and then unbolt the hinge and the hoods coming off. But I may do that over the weekend when I got a little bit of help. Doing this by myself would be a little tough. All right, that's it. I'll say goodbye to my wife way over there. All right, we're done for now.